Okay, I got a really quick tip for you. So when you're creating content on LinkedIn, don't do what most people do. So let me show you what you should do first of all. So Molly obviously knows what she's doing. She's done something really smart here. She has made this line stand out. Okay, how to start an online business in 6 months with a little down arrow and more. So this, it's a nice photo. It's stopping the scroll, and this is creating intrigue and making people want to click this more link. And this is what you want people to do on LinkedIn, because when people do this, it's probably more valuable than actually someone comments or liking on your post. Now, normally you get 3 lines here, but Molly knows how to format, and she's just done 1 line, and she's probably triple spaced it. So yeah, so she's actually put 3 spaces in here instead of just 1, which means it previews 1 line. But you can actually preview 2 or 3 lines. I recommend 2. So you do 1 line, then a line space, and then another line. And the first line should stop the scroll. Second line is a space. Third line, create intrigue to click the more link. But Molly was smart. She did that all in 1 line, which I really love. And then, sorry, Sarah, I'm not criticizing you, but I'm going to use this as an example. You can see here, nothing wrong with this. I went out with my daughter last week. I planned what to wear. So this, she kind of gets straight into here. And this is what most people do. Now, it's not bad. And, she's put a great photo here. It's personal, so it's good. But it would have been better if she'd have put something punchy here and spaced it out and then put something intriguing afterwards. And much more people then would have wanted to click the more link. So the message is that this more link here is like gold. The more people you get to click that, the more your posts are going to get more impressions and more reach on LinkedIn, get in front of more people. That's it, super quick. Hope it's useful. Hope these videos are useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.